You ready? Rub your lips together. Are you nervous? Why?
I don't know.
Don't be nervous. It's okay. We're just gonna have fun.
Yay.
Yeah? Excited? Yeah. Okay. Do you want to put that little hair behind your ear there, or you just want to stay like that?
I say like this.
Yeah? Excited to start now? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Isolation Diaries. Today I have a special guest. My little one, baby girl, and I have been planning to do a video together for quite some time, and she's super excited to do this video, aren't you?
Yes.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Sherry and I'm 8 years old, and today I'm going to do some Portuguese with my mum to see. It's like a challenge to see if I can answer every question, to see what I know.
Yeah. How much do you think you know?
Maybe about half Portuguese and full English.
You're half Portuguese and full English. How does that work? You can only be half of something and half of something else, or full of something, or a percentage of something and a little bit of something else.
50% of Portuguese and 100% of English.
You can only be 50% English and 50% Portuguese.
I'm not 50% English. I know everything in English.
Oh, right. So you're talking about language. Language-wise, you know if... Okay. I was thinking about ethnicity. Do you know what ethnicity is? Don't worry. That's a whole different video.
Yeah.
Right. So for those of you who are new to my channel and you don't know, I am originally from Portugal. I was born and raised in Lisbon. Olá a todos, bem-vindos ao meu canal. And I've been living here in the UK for, I think, around 14 years. My daughter's British. She was born here. Her dad is British. But in the household, I do speak Portuguese, but I speak a lot of English as well, which is me to blame, I guess. So a lot of times when I'm really upset, that's when the Portuguese comes out, and I feel like that's when she really understands what I'm saying, because I'm like, the Portuguese in me comes out. So I'm gonna ask some questions to Sherry and see if she understands. I will try my very best to either translate, put some subtitles, but I believe with YouTube I can put subtitles in Portuguese. So if you don't understand what I'm asking her, then you can read the subtitles. I think it's going to be fun. You ready?
Yes. I was born ready for this.
The questions that I'm going to be asking Sherry, I'm just going to think about them and then ask her. I didn't write anything down. I really want to test her on her Portuguese. Let's get started. My first question in Portuguese is: Vamos à rua?
Can you say the question again, please?
Vamos à rua.
We're going outside.
Yeah. But say it out loud though.
We're going outside.
Are we going outside?
Yes, we are going to go outside, but it's not actually true.
Tens fome?
No.
Yeah, but what did I ask you?
Are you hungry?
Well done. Hoje vamos lavar o cabelo.
You are going to wash my hair.
You know this, girl. High five. 3 right.
Woo! Yes.
Let me try and get you a difficult one.
Oh no! I thought that was going to come up like at question 10 or something.
Sherry, eu vou trabalhar.
I'm beautiful?
Não. A mãe vai trabalhar. A mami vai trabalhar.
You're going to work out?
No, I'm not going to work out, but close.
You're going to work?
Yes, eu vou trabalhar. A mami vai trabalhar.
There we go.
I'm not giving you a high five for that one.
What? It was a hard one. I got it.
Next one.
The next round.
I have to give you a high five on the next one. Okay. I saw that. Anda falar com o pai.
You're going to call my dad. I mean, you're going to call avô? You're going to speak to avô?
Anda falar com o teu pai.
And can I tell it for something? Oh, what?
You do
could
love
it
your
be?
avô. Avô means granddad. Granddad? Granddad.
Oh, you said granddad.
Anda falar com o pai.
I'm going to call that. I'm going to call uncle. I mean, grand avô.
Anda falar com o pai means come and speak to your dad.
Oh, Andefella. I forgot Andefella to buy. I forgot.
Vais fazer futebol?
Yes, I'm going to do football.
But I'm asking you.
See.
Did you understand? Are you going to do football? High five on that one.
Yes, I knew I was gonna get it. Oh, bellissima.
You're falling on me though. Can you just move a little bit? You're falling
No,
on
I
me.
want my foot there.
Yeah, that's better. Vai pôr os ténis.
Don't put your food in the kitchen.
What? No. Sherry, vai pôr os ténis. And I say it in this tone too.
Don't put it.
No. This Portuguese challenge is becoming very difficult. It's stuff that I tell you all the time though. A mãe diz sempre, vai pôr os ténis.
Go and put on your shoes.
That's close. Go put on your trainers.
Oh,
Vai pôr os
there's
ténis.
still shoes.
High five.
Yes.
Another one right.
There's still shoes.
That was difficult though. Is it because you're nervous? You understand a lot more, don't you? Which one should I ask?
Oh no, I know that. Please.
Vai lavar os dentes.
Go and brush your teeth. Yes, correct.
Estás cansada?
Are you tired? Booyah! 9.
This is a sweet one. If you're Portuguese, you'll probably understand that this is how we speak to the kids. A Sherry fish dodói?
Did you hurt yourself?
High five. Para de saltar.
Stop shouting.
Para de saltar.
Stop something.
Yeah. What does mommy tell you all the time when you're outside? Para de saltar. Para de correr.
Stop running.
Well, para de correr, yes, but what the other one means? Para de saltar.
Stop. I don't know.
I used to tell you this all the time when you were little.
Give me a clue, please.
Well, stuff that you like to do on the pavement. You used to do on the pavement and I kept having to say to you, para de saltar. Stoop.
Stop.
Stop jumping.
I was going to say that. I was thinking like, so stop jumping. Is it stop jumping or something else? And I was going to
Yeah, it's been like 15 minutes.
stop jumping.
It's been like 15 minutes. Move along. A mami tem saudades do avô.
You're going.
Eu tenho saudades do avô.
You're going to call a vó.
Something close, but no.
You're going to talk to a vó.
No.
We're gonna go to Portugal.
No. Hopefully we will.
What could it be?
I miss granddad. That's what it means.
Oh.
Then again, this word was possibly a little bit difficult for you. That's okay. Let me
No,
do an. I'm just taking the hair out of your face, child. Já fizeste xixi?
Did you do me? Why would you ask that question?
Just to test you, just to test you.
Why?
Como correu a escola?
What did you do in school? What did you do in school?
Foi boa a escola?
Oh, that's. Oh! Was school good today? Something like that. Oh, yeah.
High five, sister. So, last question.
Not lost.
Not lost?
No.
How long do you want this video to be?
21 minutes.
That's a really long video. Everybody will tune out.
I watched a video that was 37 minutes there on the iPad.
I'm scared of her. Vai buscar o telefone da mami.
Go and get your phone for me.
Go and get my phone.
Yeah, I still got it. I still got it.
High five. Vai buscar a escova.
Go and get a blanket.
No.
What?
I never say go and get your blankets. She's a blanket baby. Very rarely I tell you that.
Right over there.
Vai buscar a escova para pentear o cabelo.
Go and get the brush. Oh yeah.
Cabeça. Cabelo.
Baby hairs.
Cabeça means head.
Ah.
Nariz.
Nose.
Cabeça.
Head.
Boca.
Mouth.
Dentes.
Teeth.
Pernas.
Feet.
No.
Toes.
No.
Ears.
Huh?
Pernas.
Pernas, filha. Legs.
Oh! It really sounded like feet.
Sherzad, your feet are really cold. Can you stop touching my legs, please? Tio.
Uncle.
Avó.
Granddad.
Avó.
Grandma.
Avô.
Granddad.
Tia.
Auntie.
Prima.
Cousin.
Mãe.
Ma.
Pai.
Puppy.
What is your favorite thing about having a Portuguese parent and a English parent?
That we can all learn something from each other and learn how to speak each other's languages.
I think I'm done with all the questions because she really needs to actually learn. Do you know how to count in Portuguese?
Only up to 10.
Yeah.
No, 11.
Okay, can you try and count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Pronto?
21.
No, but then you're girl, I'm not French, I'm Portuguese. So we're done with this video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed it. That you enjoy it, Sherry.
I enjoyed it so much. I feel like I'm gonna explode.
Of happiness?
Yeah.
So let us know in the comments below if you want to see more videos of me and Sherry for these isolation diaries. Isolation.
No, you said isolation.
I know I did.
That's alright.
Give this video a good thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you on our next video.
Bye.